You remember I told you I was in command of a company? Well, I lost them. Just about all. It takes a little time to toss that off. Because they weren't just men. They didn't die. They killed themselves for each other. And I mean that exactly. A little more selfish than they'd have been here today. And I got an idea watching them go down. Everything was falling apart, see, but it seemed to me that one new thing was made. A kind of responsibility. Man for man, you understand me? To show that. To bring that onto the earth again, like some kind of a monument, and everyone would feel it standing there behind him. And it would make a difference to him. And then I came home. And it was incredible. There was no meaning in it here. The whole thing to them was a kind of bus accident. I felt wrong to be alive. To open the bank book, to drive the new car, to see the new refrigerator. I mean, you could take those things out of a war, but when you drive that car, you gotta know that it came out of the love a man can have for a man. You gotta be a little better because of that. Otherwise, what you have is really loot. There's blood on it. I didn't want to take any of it. And I guess that included you.